Hi, today I'll show you how to use table-based annotation to train Ocerra to pick up the information from the table level of the invoice. In most cases, the system will pick up the information correctly, but some invoice layouts can be tricky. All the information like amount, quantity, and description and more will be stored in this field right here. So to tell Ocerra what information to pick up, we need to define the table on the invoice by drawing a frame around it. In this first example, we can see that the table was not defined at all. To fix that, we need to draw the frame around this table. To do that, first click on the Table button and move to your document. You will see a blue circle next to your cursor, which says that you are ready to start drawing the table. Now move your mouse to the corner of the table, click once and drag your mouse across the table, including the header. Click once again to release the frame. Then click the red annotation button and wait for the annotation process to be completed. And that's it. We can see that now we have all the lines picked up correctly. Moving to the next example, we can see that the table was already defined, but it also picked up the header values of the invoice. To fix that, click on the Table button again. To adjust the frame so it's only covering the table, click and hold the corner of the frame and drag to the right position. Then do the same for the other corner. When you are done, click on the Annotate button to save the changes.